Hello students, we study very important topic in statistics and correlations. I am Mehertaj, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Amet University, Chennai. So now we go to what is the meaning of the correlation. A relation between two bivariate random variable is called correlation. If change of one variable affect the change in other, then they are said to be correlated. For example, we are taking the two variable x and y. When you say the both are correlated means the change of one variable definitely affect the change of the other. So for example, I give some real life example. First, height and weight. This is a familiar example of the correlations. So we are choosing x is a height and y is a weight. So when a person height is increased means automatically the person weight also increase. So the both are related at the same time correlated. Take the next example, advertisement and sale. So lot of company increasing the advertisement means what? Automatically the sales are increasing. So here the advertisement and the sales are increasing. So advertisement is increasing means automatically the sales also increasing. I go to the third one, price and the demand. So when your price values are increasing means the demand value is automatically decreasing. So one definitely affect the other one. So fourth one is the income and expenditure. So when your income is increasing means automatically your expenditure level also increasing. When you are getting the low income means automatically expenditure also decreasing. So here the income and expenditure both are related. This is the other one example of the correlations. I go to the next example similarly, competition in the sale. So now this world is going on lot of competitions. We can go for anything, you can sales any product, anything. So when the competition levels are increasing means definitely the sales levels are decreasing. So the last example also both are related, competition and the sales. Next we go for the types of correlation. We are having two type of correlation. One is a positive correlation, other one is a negative correlations. So what is the meaning of the positive correlation means? So the previous slide we can discuss about what are the correlation example. So now we go for the positive correlation means both the x and y is going on the moving in the same direction. So that means by x is increasing means automatically here y also increasing. For example here x is decreasing means automatically y also decreasing. So negative correlation means x is increasing means y is automatically decreasing. So it is going to the opposite direction, they both are going the same directions. Already we seen the previous slide what is the example of the correlations. I am taking the same example, I can verify how to these examples are called the positive correlation as well as the negative correlation. So I am taking the same example, height and weight. So height is increasing means automatically what? Weight also increasing, both are going through the same direction. So first one is a positive correlation. Second one is a advertisement and the sale. So here when increasing your advertisement levels are increasing means automatically your sales levels also automatically increasing. Third one is a income and expenditure. So same thing, income levels are increasing means automatically expenditure level also increasing. Suppose your income is low, income means what? Expenditure level also decreasing. So next example of a negative correlations. So first example, price and demand. So your price values are increased means what? Automatically demand values are decreasing. So both are going through the opposite direction. Price is increasing means what? Demand is decreasing. So next one is a competition and the sales. So competition means what? You have a more competition means what? Your sales levels are what? Decreasing. So that is also going through the different direction. That is the other example of the negative correlations. Next, the coefficient of correlation between two variable x and y is generally denoted by symbol r. So here coefficient of correlation means what is symbol? You are using the r symbol. So next we have to see some properties of correlation. First one is here, the correlation coefficient always lies between -1 to +1. So, your answer you can go for here. After we have some slides about the problem of the correlation coefficient. We can see every problem answer lies between -1 to +1, and another properties are when your answer R is equal to +1, perfectly +1 means what? That is perfect positive correlations. When your correlation values are -1 means what? Perfect negative correlations. When R equal to 0 means what? That is a no correlation. So, for last one is here, R is here independent of change of origin under the scale. Next one is here, what is the method to study the correlation? Here we can see the following methods are some of the method used for studying the correlations. We can study the three method. One is a scatter diagram, second one is a Cole-Pearson correlation coefficient, third one is a Spearman rank correlations. So, we can go into the next slide one by one. What is the meaning of the scatter diagram? So, what is the meaning of the scatter diagram? So, simplest method to measure the relation without calculating any numerical value. So, we can give any correlation problem without numerical value, just we can explain via only the diagrammatical representation, means how to do the problem. First one I am giving the example of the positive correlations. See here the points are lies close to the straight line. So, which has a positive quadrant. So, that is a positive correlations. See the next diagram, the points are lies close to the straight line. So, which has a negative quadrant. Here one points are increasing, other points are decreasing. So, that is a negative correlations. Third one, there is no any pattern, at the same time there is no any relation between the two variables, that is called the no correlation. I give one real life example of the no correlation means. For example, the previous example we can talk about for what is the correlation means height and weight of a person. One is height is increasing means automatically weights also increases. So, both are x values affect the y. For example, height and person hair color. So, one person heights are increasing means and the hair colors are not changing. So, the height definitely not affect the hair color. So, that type of x and y we can't relate at each other. So, that type of correlation is called what? No correlations. Previous slide we can discuss about the what is the positive correlation, what is the negative correlation. Now, we go to the give the diagram of the perfect positive correlation and perfect negative correlation. See the previous diagram, we have here both the line just close to the straight line, but here see the both the x variable and y variable passing through the straight line, on the straight line. So, that is called the perfect positive correlation. Similarly, here also x and y variable passing through the on the straight line. So, that is a perfect negative correlation. So, here formula for finding a correlation coefficients. The correlation coefficient formula is R of x comma y, covariance of x comma y divided by sigma x into sigma y. So, here what is the covariance of x comma y equal to sigma xy by n minus x bar into y bar, and small sigma x equal to root of sigma x square by n minus x bar square, sigma y is equal to root of sigma y square by n minus y bar. So, here I am taking some example of the calculate the correlation coefficient for the following height in inches of father's x and their son y. So, x values are given 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 72. Similarly, here y values are given. So, the previous slide I have discussed what is the formula for finding the correlation coefficients. So, in this slide I want to know what is the sigma x value, sigma y value, what is the n value, what is the x bar value, what is the y bar value. So, now the given x values I am writing here and the y values are given, same thing I am writing here, and find out what is the x square means what, squaring the 65 means what, 4225, similarly 66 is what, 4356, and 6 equal to what, some value, 67 equal to some value, 68 become 4624, 69 become 4761, 70 become 4900, 72 becomes 5184. Similarly, go for the y value 4489, 4624, 4225, and 68 becomes 4624, 72 becomes 5184. Similarly, find out the what is the y value. And next one column, final column is xy value. Xy is a nothing but is a multiple of x and y value, 65 into 67, 66 into 68, So that is the value. Next I go for what is the total of the x value. So sigma x equal to total of this x column 544. Similarly go for the total of the y column equal to 552 and the total of the x square value 37028. Similarly go for the y square value 38132 and similarly go for the xy value 37560. Next, how many n values are given? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here n is equal to 7. So using the previous slide value, we can apply the formula. So the correlation coefficient formula is R of x comma y is equal to covariance of x comma y divided by sigma x into sigma y. So covariance of xy is equal to what? Sigma xy by n minus x bar into y bar. Sigma x equal to a root of sigma x square by n minus x bar square. Sigma y is equal to a root of sigma y square by minus y bar square. So you want to, before we can finding this value, before you want to find what is the x bar and the y bar. So what is the meaning of the x bar? X bar is a mean or average. So how to find out x bar value means you know already what is the total of the x value. So x bar equal to what? Total of the x value divided by n. Similarly y bar means what? Total of the y value divided by n. So using that formula to find out what is the value of x bar and the y bar. To find the x bar and y bar value, so x bar formula is sigma x by n equal to 544 divided by 8. To find the x bar value 68. Similarly go for the y bar value. So formula is sigma y by n. You know the sigma y value 552 divided by n is equal to 8 means what? 69. Next we go for the covariance value. You know already what is the covariance formula? Sigma xy by n minus x bar into y bar. So using that formula, covariance of x comma y is equal to sigma xy value 37560 divided by n value 8 minus x bar into y bar. Here x bar equal to 68 and y bar equal to 69. So we can simplify this value. I am getting the covariance value. Covariance of x comma y is equal to 3. So next we find out what is the sigma x value. You know sigma x value formula is root of sigma x square by n minus x bar square. So sigma x square value 37028, n value 8 minus x bar square. Here x bar is what? 68. I simplifying the value. I am getting the sigma x value 2.121. Similarly go for the sigma y value. What is sigma y formula? Root of sigma y square by n minus y bar square. So it is a sigma x is y square value 38132, here n value 8 minus y bar value 69. Now we can simplify the value. I am getting the sigma y value 2.345. So now we are getting what is the value of the covariance value and the sigma x value and sigma y value. Substitute all the value into the correlation formula. The correlation formula is what? R equal to covariance of x comma y divided by sigma x into sigma y. Now R equal to, I am getting the covariance value 3 divided by sigma x value 2.121 multiply what is sigma y value 2.345. Now I am simplifying the value. I am getting the R value 0.603. So this is the what is the correlation between the father height and the son height. The values are what? 0.603. So next what is the method to find the correlation? Next topic is rank correlation. Let xi comma yi I varies from 1 to n be the ranks of I individual into two characteristics capital A and B respectively. Here the rank correlation are denoted by symbol rho. Rho equal to 1 minus 6 into summation I is equal to 1 to n d I square divided by n into n square minus 1. Here d is equal to difference of the variable xi minus yi and the value of rho lies between minus 1 and the plus 1. Already told what is the properties of correlation is what? The correlation coefficient always lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Here also the rank correlation also always lies between minus 1 to plus 1. So here we can find out the rank correlation. We have three different situations. First one is when ranks are given. So when ranks are given means how to solve the problem. Second one, when ranks are not given. Third case, when the value of the series are the same or repeated. So we can go to the next slide one by one. What is the example of the when ranks are not given, when ranks are not given, when the value of the series are the same or repeated. Okay, now I am taking the example of the first case is what? When ranks are given. So I am taking the 10 participants in a contest are ranked by 2 judges as follows. So here what rank of the judges are given. So x and y is here 2 judges. They are giving the rank for the how many members? 7. So first judge give the rank is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The second judge gives the rank 4, 3, 1, 2, 6, 5, 7. So, the question is find the rank correlation and the coefficient. So, here solution here how many n values are given? Totally n values are given 7. So, I am writing that I form the table column here x value and the y value. D is equal to difference of x and y, and finally this is the d square value. So, I can write what is same value of the x value and the y value. Just I subtract the x from y, I am getting minus 3, minus 2, 2, 2, minus 1, 1, 0. I am squaring all the value. 3 square becomes 9, 1 square becomes 1, 2 square becomes 4, 2 square becomes 4, minus 1 square becomes 1, 1 square becomes 1 and 0 becomes 1. Now, we can find the total of the d square values. I am getting the 20. So, continuation of the previous slide to find out what is the value of the sigma d square is what I am getting 20. Now, we can apply the value into the rank correlation formula. So, rho equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma di squared by n into n square minus 1. So, rho equal to 1 minus 6 into what is the sigma d square 20 divided by what is the n value 7, 7 into 7 square minus 1. So, rho equal to 1 minus 6 into 20 is what 120 divided by 7 into 7 square minus 1 equal to 336. Now, we can simplify this value. I am getting the answer is what 0.643. Next, I go for the repeated rank correlation. So, when your ranks are repeated means how to solve the problem. This is the formula. The formula is rho equal to 1 minus 6 into summation of di square plus m into m square minus 1 divided by 12 whole divided by n into n square minus 1. Here m is the repeated ranks. Here I am taking the example of the repeated rank correlations. So, here the ranks are not given. So, how to find the rank? Suppose the ranks are repeated means how to solve the problem. Here x values are given and the y values are given. Here total of the x values are what? 10 values are given. Similarly, y also what? 10. Here n is equal to 10. So, using the x value I can form the first column x value. The third column I am writing what is the y value. Next, I go for finding what is the rank of this x column. Now, we go for the first column of the x, which is the maximum value. 92 is a maximum value, I give the rank 1, and the next maximum value is what? 89, I give the rank 2. The next maximum value is 87, the rank is 3. And the fourth and fifth place, the fourth and fifth ranks are getting the both the values. So, here m is equal to what? Number of the repeated rank, that is equal to the fourth and the fifth place are getting the same value, means what? 86. How many time repeated? 2 time repeated. So, 4 plus 5 divided by 2, the answer is what? 4.5. So, I give the equally sharing the rank of 86 and answer 86 is what? 4.5 and the 4.5. Next, I am not going to the fifth rank. The reason is already the fourth and fifth rank is over. Next, we go for the sixth rank. So, 77 is here next maximum value. I give the rank number 6. Next is 71, 7, 68 is a rank is 8, 53 and similarly go for the 50. So, now we can check your ranks are corrected, you can allocate the ranks are corrected means. So, we can see the what is the how many n value, 10 n values, you can start from rank number 1, definitely the rank finishing up to the 10. So, next I go for the y value, I can allocate the rank. Now, the y value, what is the maximum value? 86 is a maximum value, what is the give the which one is a 91 is a maximum value, I give the rank number 1, and similarly the next maximum value is 86, I give the rank 2, then again allocate the next maximum value is what? Rank is what? 85, the rank is what? 3, similarly is going on 83 is a fourth value, and similarly go for the 82 is a fifth one, and 77 is a sixth rank, and finally go for the similarly one by one finishing up to your rank also what? Finishing up to the 10. So, now we can allocate what is the rank of the x, and similarly can allocate what is the rank of the y. Now, we go for the subtraction, d is equal to what? X minus y, subtracting the both the rank. So, the small x and the small y denoted by rank 1 and the rank 2. So, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 2 minus 4 is minus 2, 3 minus 1 is 2, and 4.5 minus 6 equal to minus 1.5, 4.5 is 7 equal to minus 2.5, 6 minus 3 is equal to 3, 7 minus 8 equal to minus 1, 8 minus 5 is equal to 3, 9 minus 10 equal to minus 1, 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. The last column to find the what is the value of the d square. So, d square is nothing but the squaring of this column. So, 1 minus 1 become 1, minus 2 4, 2 4, minus 1.5 the whole square equal 2.25, minus 2.5 the whole square is 6.25, 3 square 9, minus 1 square 1, 3 square 9, minus 1 square 1, 1 square is 1. Now, we can find what is the total of the d square value. I am getting 38.5. So, already we discussed the what is the formula for the repeated rank correlation, rho equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma di square plus m into m square minus 1 divided by 12 divided by n into n square minus 1. I can know already what is the n value, what is the m means what, number of time repeated. Here now how many time repeated, m is equal to 2 times are repeated. I know what is the n value. I am substituting d square value, m value under the n value. I am getting the value of rho is equal to what, 0.764. I think you all understand this concept. Just I give the summarize of the what is the classes today is going on. First we are discussed about what is the correlation. Next we go for what is the types of correlations. Next what is the method of solving the correlation. We are going to the three method. One is a scatter diagram, second one is a Spearman rank correlation, third one is a Call-Pearson correlation coefficients. So, we are taking the every example of the correlation how to solve the problem. Next we go for the ranks having a three method. One is what, the ranks are given, second one is ranks are not given, third one is the ranks are repeated. So, we are discussed one taking the one example, the ranks are given means how to solve the problem. Next example we discussed about the ranks are not given, at the same time the ranks are repeated means how to solve the problem. Okay, thank you.